Protect your interior carpet year-round with the Exact Contour floor liners from Husky Liners. Exact Contour floor liners from Husky Liners are custom fit to ensure you're getting the perfect fit for your truck or vehicle. Rather than stock carpet liners, you're getting a durable and reliable liner with Exact Contour. They're made from a rubberized DuraGrip material for that perfect balance of strength and softness. Plus, it doesn't crack under extreme temperatures and it's resistant to damage caused from spilled drinks, chemicals, mud, debris, and more. Husky Liners Exact Contour floor liners have a patented form-fit edge which keeps everything off your vehicle's carpet so you don't have to worry about ruining your interior. Spilled coffee, no problem. Exact Contour floor liners can easily be removed and cleaned. Stay-put nibs also hold each mat in place to prevent shifting without the need for additional fasteners. The Exact Contour floor liners from Husky Liners are made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty.